Hello, my name is Leonardo and I'm from MaximoCon. On this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a PM record and use the time-based frequency. Let's go to the PM application on Preventive Maintenance module. Clicking New. I have my ID here. Truck semester maintenance. Okay, let's use my FH truck from other videos. Volvo FH600 truck. Job plan. I'm not gonna use a job plan, but of course, if you put a job plan here, the information from the job plan will be added to the work order. I'm just gonna set the work type as preventive maintenance. I'll leave my work order status as waiting schedule. That means that when my work order is created, it will inherit all this information here, priority 1. And that's it. I could put responsibility information, but this is enough for now. I have to save my record here and go to frequency tab, where I can put my time-based frequency, which will be 6, and the units month, okay? 6 months is enough for my maintenance. Let's just put a better description here. Volvo FH600 truck semester maintenance. Let's go to the point here. We have 6 months, but I want my first record to be generating the past. Today, the 20th of January, I need this to be generated from the beginning of the year. I want to be every beginning and middle of year. So I'll just put estimated next due date here, and I need to see my information based on the future. Okay, so I'll just generate the forecast until 23, okay, 1000 days. That should be enough for my forecast. As the name says, oh, sorry. Now I have to activate my record by changing the status to active. And after that, I can generate my forecast a little more than 1000 days. Now I have to do is click OK. And then I can see my forecast here. I have the forecast until January of 2023. I also could change the date of one of my forecasting maintenance. Let's say that for next year, I want to postpone to 28. I changed my date. I could add the remarks here. Let's just save it. As you can see, we have the change date and the new date of this forecast. And finally, last but not least, let's generate the work order based on this PM. We have to generate our work order because we know that the earliest next due date is today for a date in the past, which was in the first day of this month, okay? We have 2 ways of generating work orders from PMs. The first one is through the PM WGen cron task, which I recommend you to set up this to run once every day. The second way is through the select action, generate work orders. I can use the frequency criteria if I want to respect my frequency in my PMs, both for meters or time-based, as we have in this case, but I could just ignore it. This will generate my work order regardless of the frequency used, okay? But for our scenario here, let's just keep the flag ticker on and click OK. This should generate a work order for my time-based frequency. That's it. We have 1207. And the last step is to check if everything is okay with my new work order generated from my PM. That's it. Let's just open it quickly. We have the work order number, the description. We also have the asset and some information from the PM, like the work type and the status, waiting schedule. And we have the PM here, which of course cannot be removed or changed. And this work order is ready to be moved forward. So that's it. I hope you liked this video. If you think that this can be helpful, please share and subscribe to our channel. We have new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And see you next time. Thank you very much.